Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, I'm so excited. I don't even know why. I'm just hyper today. Anyway, as you guys can tell from the title, let's go back. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is the first time you're ever seeing my face, my name is Millie. So guys, as you can tell from the title, I'm going to be recreating, I've had this video idea first of all for a very long time, since I'm literally obsessed with TikTok. Guys, I know everybody loves TikTok. I mean, why wouldn't you love TikTok? Do you love TikTok? I do love TikTok.
Let's move right along.
So guys, without further ado, I'm going to be recreating some of the TikTok trends. I go on TikTok every day, man. I go on TikTok every single day. I watch a couple of funny videos. I just said I was going to, go through some of the videos and try to recreate some outfits or an outfit which I like. And I came up with this very beautiful, in my opinion, if I do say so myself, this beautiful romper dress. Is it a dress? No. Beautiful romper. Okay? So I recreated this for no money at all. I didn't spend any coins on this. Nothing. So I just recreated it from an old leggings. I just recycled it and turned it into a romper. And this is a video you would definitely like, because we all have that leggings which we are not feeling so much again. So just turn it into a romper, like for less, for no amount at all, no money. It's 2020, we're trying to save that coin. But I have my money. So without further ado, if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, click the subscribe button, press the bell sign so you never get to miss any video from here on out, and you'll be the first to get notified whenever I post a new video. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. So guys, you're going to be needing a tape, a scissors, and a chalk. After you're done, mark out 16 from where you want the joining of the romper. I just had to go with 16, but you can do whatever you want. Guys, it's past midnight, so I'm going to try to make the voiceover very minimal, okay? When you're done with that, you're going to be dividing the pants leg or the leggings leg into half. Just cut it where you have the joining. Just repeat the process on the other leg, and after that your romper would almost be ready, just one step away. Place together the both pant leg. Make sure they're aligned together. I mean, you don't want to have an asymmetrical romper, so make sure you place it and they're all well aligned. And you just have to cut out 7.5. I went to 7.5. That's where I have my arm depth, right? So I'm going to be measuring out 7.5, and I'll just cut it. When you're done with that, just make a curve and cut it out. After that, it's time to measure out your neck depth. I went with 5, but I mean, if you want yours a little bit low cut, you can drop it to 6 inches, but I went with 5. that magic, you should have something looking like this. Take it to your sewing machine, or you can actually hand stitch this, and sew round where you have all the openings, avoiding the armhole, guys. So you'd have to take in two sides, both sides, sew the both sides and the shoulder. So you guys know already by now, I don't like my fabric, any fabric I'm working with, I don't like it moving when I'm sewing. So I'm just going to pin the top part of the romper to the leggings part, which is the down part. Okay, I'll take it to the sewing machine and just run it all around.
Oh no, 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 no. I've been waiting on Monday since you told me on Sunday. Feeling hopeful on Tuesday, out of my system by Thursday. Baby, it's Friday, heading back into the weekend. Looking like you was a dead end. Oh, if I catch you, you're dead end. Don't play me like no PlayStation. Ain't no TV station. Coulda catch you all night. Made your body feel right. Said you wanted a taste. Baby, now it's too late. Baby, now it's too late, too late. Why, oh, why, oh, why? Why you told me wrong? In my head, I thought we were strong. Took me time, but now I see all your shit. Baby, just admit you will play me like a violin. Why, oh, why, oh, why you do me wrong? Baby, just admit you will play me like a violin. You must think that I'm stupid, taking all of your shit, throwing fake excuses. No, you must think I'm a trick. Gave you all of my heart and you play